Hi, today I'm going to share with you if you have problem adding your Facebook friend, your friend. There's no add friend button missing. The reason why the add friend button is missing is because you probably remove your friend and then you add back your friend, you send a friend request, and then you remove your friend request, and then you block your friend. So basically, if the friend, according to Meta AI, Facebook, they say that if you are unable to send a friend request, it could be due to several reasons. The person may have privacy settings that only allow a friend requests from friends of friends. Okay, friends of friends, and then they may also have a friend limit that is already exceeding 5,000, or you are being blocked from sending friend requests. And additionally, if you previously blocked the person, you need to unblock them before they can send the friend request. So your friend could be actually blocking you. Okay, so they probably block you, so you cannot send a friend request. Or your friend could have actually deleted the friend request from you. So when that friend actually delete the friend request, you as the sender, you cannot send another request for 1 year. 1 year. Yeah. So basically that's the warning. I think a lot of people didn't know about that. So be careful about deleting the friend requests, because your friend cannot add you. Yeah, the add button is missing. And basically that's it. And yeah, I just want you guys to be aware of this situation. You have to wait out for 1 year before you can add the friend again. Yeah. Another way is you message the friend and see whether you ask the friend to see whether they can see you, and is there any add friend button in your Facebook account. If they're able to see your add friend button, then they have to send the request, because now you cannot send the request to add you as friend. Yeah, add them as friend and add you as friend. So basically, that's I think the solution to fix the problem, because you're being banned from sending another friend request. I hope this is helpful. Do share with others as well. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.